Hi guys, we are so happy that you are today with us. Right now I will show you how to blur video on the CapCut app. Let's check it. So the first step is to go to our application, and I need to go to the camera section and album, to go to the video section also and tap on the needful video I want to manage. So let's tap on the import, and ta-da, we have our video. Let's go to the effects section here and tap on the video effects at the bottom. We need to tap on the basic option at the top bar of the screen, and we definitely have a lot of blurry effects here. You can choose each you want, but I want to stop my choice on the first basic one. After clicking on this blur effect the second time, I can correct it, managing it, and to make it more gentle or visible. I want to stop my choice on this. Okay, so let's click on the check mark. Don't forget that you can also control the length of this effect and the time when it will appear and disappear. So I will also cut my video, and I will stop and locate this option, this effect, on the last part of my video. So let's check the result. Let's play it. Well done! Guys, I hope that right now you know how to manage this option and how to blur the selected video on the CapCut app. So if you want to find out even more cool tricks, to know a lot of different options about this application and other apps, you can check our different videos on the channel HardReset.Info. Don't forget about likes and also subscribe to our channel. Goodbye! Good luck!